Have you ever been somewhere and noticed, I have a missing nail? My nail has popped. Hi, I'm beauty expert Jackie O, and today we will discuss how to fix nail pops. When you notice that your nails have a missing nail, the first thing that you may want to consider is, how can I repair this? You can use the acrylic forms here. Take the centerpiece off, and you will see that you can use this and apply this to the natural nail. If it has cracked in any areas and the free edge of the nail is missing, you definitely want to apply it as if you're doing a regular repair. Put the form on the nail, take your acrylic brush, dip it in your liquid and your powder, apply your primer and your prep, and you want to make sure that you fill in any areas that need to be repaired. If you have a nail tip on, you may want to consider reapplying a nail tip. Put your glue, apply it to the nail, cut it to your desired length, and you have your repair. If you have a natural nail pop, you may want to seek a physician.